All right, let's try to get in focus here. We got it. I think we got it. All right, guys, if you guys are watching this video, more than likely you purchased one of my presets. And I first want to say thank you. Thank you because you actually doing more than just purchasing some presets. Because all the proceeds out of all the sales that I do and I make for those presets are actually gonna go for kids in need. And of course, the presets are legit, so you gotta love them. But again, I just want to say thank you. I don't want to take any longer than I should making this video, because all I want to show you is basically how to download the presets, how to put them into your phone, and how to actually use them. So let's get into my phone and get that rolling. Let's go. All right, guys, so once you guys have purchased the preset, you will see this screen here where it says view content. You just gotta tap on that. That will take you to the next screen. On the next screen, you're gonna see the zip file. You're gonna hit the download button. Once you do that, this is gonna come up. Hit download again, and then on that upper right corner, you're gonna see that little arrow is showing you the download. Once you see it blink or bounce, that means that your download is complete. Go ahead and tap on that, and then you're gonna see your zip file. Again, tap on that. Then all you have to do is tap one more time. There you will find all the DNG files there. All you have to do now is save them one by one into your phone. Now, to save them, it's as simple as just tap on the photo, then you're just gonna tap on that left corner, and then you're gonna save the image. And you're gonna do that with every single one of them until you have them saved into your camera roll or your album. Okay, so once you have saved all the DNG files into your phone, your camera roll, in order to get them into Adobe Lightroom, the easiest way to do it is just go ahead and go into your camera roll or your album where you save those DNG files. You're gonna see there are basically black squares. Don't worry, that is absolutely normal. You're gonna hit the select button on the top so you can select multiple. So just go ahead and select them all. Once you already have done so, then just hit this button in the left corner, and that will give you options over here you see on the top, and then you're gonna select open up with Lightroom. In this particular case, since we're gonna do it right away, we want Lightroom to launch right now. Then you automatically will see that it'll be added to your photos here. Now you'll be able to see every single one of the DNG files, which are the presets that you're gonna save. If you can select the first one, and all you have to do is just go ahead and tap the three little dots in the upper right corner, and then you're gonna tap where it says create preset. Then again, you can use the same name or you can give it your own name. This particular case, we're gonna use the same one. We type it on there. The next one will be the preset group. As a default, they're always gonna be saved under user presets. But so it's easier for you to find, you're gonna tap where it says create new preset group. In this particular case, we're gonna use Ramsey's fitness preset, so that way I know that all the fitness presets are gonna save under that particular group. Once you have done that, you're gonna go ahead and hit the check mark on the top right corner, and that it's already been saved into your gallery. So that is one of your presets. So then again, all you have to do is just do the same one by one. You just gotta go back, select the next following one. Again, hit the three buttons on the top right corner, create preset, name the preset, and then now since you already have created the group, all you have to do is hit the down arrow to select the group, and then hit the check mark on the top again. And once you have done that with every single one of them, the next part is basically to show you how to actually use them. Now in this particular case, I'm gonna go ahead and go back to my album or my camera roll, and I'm gonna select the photo that I want to edit. So I click on the bottom left, Lightroom. Again, I want to launch the application right now because I want to do it right now, and then it's gonna upload it into my gallery again. I select the photo, the bottom menu, you're gonna see presets. Normally as default, it will be on the premium side, as you can see with a little star. Then you go into your library. That's where you have your preset saved, and these are the groups. And all you gotta do is just look for the group that you created. Again, this case is Ramsey's Fitness presets, and there you will find all the presets. Just select the best one you want, and once you are satisfied with it, then you can go ahead and hit the check mark at the bottom right. Then on the top, this little square basically lets you export it back to your camera roll, so now you have the actual photo. So now if you go back into your album and your gallery, you'll see that the preset has been applied to that photo, and now you can share it or do whatever you would like to with that photo.